In today's video, we'll walk through how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is useful when you need to adjust a customer's balance after issuing a refund, discount, or correction. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the New button at the top of the screen and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Credit Memo to create a new credit. On the Credit Memo form, begin by choosing the correct customer. It's important to select the same customer connected to the invoice you want to adjust so the credit can be applied properly. Next, go to the Product or Service section and select the item related to the credit. This helps QuickBooks keep accurate records of what the credit is for. After that, enter the credit amount, making sure the value matches the adjustment you want to apply. Before saving, take a moment to review the details and confirm everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Save and Close or Save and Send if you want to share the credit memo with the customer. Once the credit memo is created, QuickBooks will allow you to apply it to the customer's open invoice. This reduces the outstanding balance and keeps your accounts accurate and organized. Using credit memos regularly helps maintain clean financial records and ensures customer balances stay up to date. And that's how you apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.